In this video, I will be showing you how to delete Instagram account permanently. So this is a very easy tutorial, but first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. To do that, go to your Google Play Store, type Instagram, and click Update. Once done, you can now go back and open your Instagram application. So once you're here, what you want to do is just simply go to the bottom right corner and type your profile. Now, at the top right corner, tap these three lines and then click this account center. Once you tap this, scroll down and look for personal details. Now, under personal details, you will see three options here. Choose account ownership and control. Tap this one. And then click deactivation or deletion. So since you want to delete your account permanently, you have to tap your Instagram profile first and select the second option here that says delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. Tap this. And then after that, scroll down and click continue. So once you tap this one, they will ask you the reason why you're leaving Instagram. So you can choose from any of the options here. For me, I had to tap something else and then click continue. So once you tap continue, it will take you directly to this that you need to re-enter your password first to make sure that you're the one who's using this Instagram. And there, once done, all you have to do is to click delete account. So as you can see here, if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted on February 15, 2024. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.